Good relationships are hard work. A relationship is like a thread. If broken, you cannot fix it back. Even if you do, the knot remains. This story will give you an insight on how to nurture and develop your relationships. A man feared his wife wasn't hearing as well as she used to, and he thought she might need a hearing aid. Not quite sure how to approach her, he went to the family doctor to discuss the problem. He told the doctor what was the problem. Doctor asked him how long she has been hard of hearing. About a month or so, said the man. The doctor told him there is a simple informal test he could do to get the seriousness of the problem. Here is what you should do. Stand about 40 feet away from her and in a normal tone, speak with her. If you get a response, good. Otherwise, go to 30 feet, then 20 feet, and so on until you get a response. The man agreed. That evening, the wife was in the kitchen cooking dinner and he was in the living room. He said to himself, "Let me try the doctor's test and see what happens." Then in a normal tone, he asked, "Honey, what's for dinner?" No response. So the husband moved closer to the kitchen and repeated, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Still no response. Next, he moved into the dining room and asked, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Again he got no response. So he walked up to the kitchen and said, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Again there was no response. So he walked right up to her. "Honey, what's for dinner?" "For the 5th time I have said Rajma Chawal." Now he understood that the problem was not with his wife, but with himself. Often we tend to see problems in others, but fail to realize that we might have those within ourselves. If we want long-lasting relationships, we should try to recognize the good in the other person and find the potential for improvement in our own self. Find the good and ignore the bad. Makshika vranamichanti doshamichanti durjanaha Brahmara pushpamichanti gunamichanti sajjanaha. A gentleman always looks for the good in others, like a honeybee which always looks for honey. If you have found our content useful, then please like and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.